As we age, maintaining physical health becomes crucial, especially after 50. While walking is often recommended, it may not be sufficient. Aging bodies face challenges like muscle loss and decreased bone density, which walking alone cannot address. Understanding these changes is the first step toward adopting a more effective fitness routine tailored to aging bodies. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, begins as early as 35 to 40 years old. This natural process accelerates after 50, leading to weakened posture, increased risk of falls, and metabolic issues. Understanding sarcopenia highlights the need for targeted exercises like strength training to counteract its effects and maintain independence in later years. Strength training offers numerous benefits for individuals over 50. It improves bone density, boosts metabolism, and enhances overall muscle function. Unlike walking, strength training directly addresses muscle loss, helping to maintain mobility, reduce injury risk, and improve quality of life as we age. Many believe strength training is only for the young or dangerous for older adults. However, these are myths. With proper guidance, strength training is safe and highly effective for people over 50. Debunking these misconceptions is essential to encourage more seniors to embrace this transformative exercise. Real-life success stories demonstrate the transformative power of strength training. Individuals over 50 have improved their posture, vitality, and overall health through consistent strength training. These stories inspire and prove that it's never too late to start and reap the benefits of a stronger, healthier body. Starting strength training safely is key, especially for beginners. Consulting a trainer ensures proper form and reduces injury risk. Begin with light weights and basic exercises like squats and bicep curls. Gradually increasing intensity helps build confidence and strength over time. Nutrition plays a vital role in supporting strength training. Adequate protein intake aids muscle recovery and growth, while balanced meals provide essential nutrients. Hydration and supplements like calcium and vitamin D further enhance the benefits of strength training, ensuring a holistic approach to health. Strength training goes beyond physical health. It boosts mental well-being too. Regular exercise enhances confidence, reduces stress, and fosters independence. For older adults, these psychological benefits are as important as the physical ones, contributing to a more fulfilling and active lifestyle. The long-term impact of strength training on aging is profound. It enhances longevity, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and maintains mobility and independence. Starting early ensures a healthier, more active future, but it's never too late to begin and experience these benefits. The journey to a healthier, stronger you begins today. Strength training is not just an exercise, it's an investment in your future. Start small, stay consistent, and witness the transformation in your physical and mental health. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your well-being.